Well, I can't believe it. I have the best YouTube subscribers on all of YouTube land. Here we are announcing our 8K giveaway. And already, as of today, we're only 400 and something away from 9,000. And then from there, if we ever get to 10,000, then we've got our bike we're working on to give away, a 1990 Sportster 1200, and we've had a good time getting it running. The next video, we're going to try to get it on the road and then do a little bit of customization to it. And speaking about the 10K bike, the last video there seemed to be a little bit of confusion, so let me clear it up for you. Last video was not kicking off the giveaway for the bike. That is coming once we hit 10,000 subscribers, and we've got our production crew, kind of our promotional company squared away, and they've got everything ready to go. We're just getting the bike ready in hopes that we do get to 10K. When the giveaway does come, I can promise you some things. You will not have to be a subscriber to my channel to win. Anybody can enter and win this motorcycle. That's it. I have never in the history of my channel asked anyone to subscribe to my channel. And when we do the bike giveaway, I will not ask you to go to my website and buy merch for extra entries or any junk like that. I'm not trying to make anything off you or get anything off you. It's my turn to give back for all those that have just invested in my channel and the shop here. Be it your comments, be it the members that support me every month, be it the people that just donate stuff and ship me stuff and mail me stuff, even the cards and the letters and the photographs that I get, the emails and the likes and the shares on my channel. It's everything. It's just not members or it's just not subscribers. It's everything. I'm not one of those guys, and I hope that you know I'm not. I see guys with millions and millions of subscribers, and in every video they're begging people to subscribe, and I actually kind of calling them idiots if they don't. And I've never understood that. I never started this channel to get subscribers. I started it to hang out in a shop and have some company, and let's just learn off each other and learn some stuff. I will tell you this, since I've started YouTube and filming my work, I have learned things along the way as well from you folks that have commented and said, well, I do it this way. And I'm like, oh, never thought about that. The freaking oil filter on a Harley has always been a problem for me, no matter what I buy, what I use. One of you commented, hey, I always take a punch and a hammer and knock a hole in that filter and let the oil drain out in a catch pan. That's a lot easier than trying to get something up underneath the filter. Another person showed me a picture of a 2-liter jug, a 2-liter Coke jug that he kind of modified and cut out to make a funnel to catch the oil. Never thought of that. Going to be trying both of those. So again, on this giveaway, I'm not going to ask you to subscribe. I'm not going to ask you to buy any of my merchandise. I'm not going to ask you to do anything except follow the entry rules. There will be a company that will host all that off-site off YouTube. We are going to obey all YouTube policies. We're going to obey all government, both state, local, and federal policies. That's why we're hiring this company to handle all of it. They're a big firm. They do a lot of giveaways for a lot of big companies. So I know it'll be done right, and I know it'll be done by the book. And I hope to have a good relationship with them in the future as we give away more cool stuff. This is just the beginning, so we're going to be doing a whole lot more. So I just wanted to clear that up and clarify. We're just getting prepared to give away the 10,000 subscriber bike. We got to get the bike ready. I can't give it away like that. Good night. I'd be embarrassed. But it's coming along good. It's going to make a really awesome bike for somebody to give away. And we're working on maybe even putting some extra with it just to pay for any kind of cost of you coming and getting it or taxes on it if you get it registered, things like that. We're working on that. So it's still in the process, okay? So just cool it. Enjoy working on it together. And when we get it done, it'll be exactly how it needs to be. And somebody's going to have a wonderful, wonderful gift. Maybe around Christmas time. I don't know. We'll see. We'll just let the cards fall where they may. Just wanted to clarify that in case there were any questions on that. But this is just a quick video to announce our 8K giveaway. So every 1,000 subscribers I've dedicated to give away something. And this is our 8K, so we're giving away 8 things. We will be doing the drawing. When is the drawing? I don't know. You tell me. So today is Sunday, August the 24th. So the giveaway starts officially right now. We're going to run it for 2 weeks. So you have until September the 7th at 12 p.m. Central Time. The giveaway ends. So how do you enter in? Very, very simple. All you have to do is comment. You don't even have to be a subscriber or a member or anything like that. Just comment below and that enters you in. And then after September the 7th, when it ends, we'll draw 8 winners. Now, I'm working on maybe having some special things for maybe the top 3 or top 2 or something like that. And if you've already won in the past and got most of our merch, then tell me. And if you win, and I can get you something else. To our members, that's our paying members, we're up to 18 paying members now, and I can't thank you enough. And part of your membership, you get shout outs. So I want to take a moment just to shout out to some of our members. Let me see. We got Guy Miller, Kathy and Jim Small, James Kahn, Mark Lloyd, God of Lightning, Joshua Fort. I like that name. S. Stormette, Danny Mangan, Rick Aging Soul Rector, Jesse over at Second Chance Recovery, Old Man Joe, Ike Shumo, Rinky Stanley Jr. And Rinky, I hope I'm saying your name right. That's always a hard one for me. Charlie V, Stephen Lopez, Stunama, Stunaim, Stunami, Vincent Talby, James Pryor, Top Flight, and Corey Olson is our newest member. So thank you all so much for supporting my channel each and every month. And to all you subscribers that have chosen to subscribe to my channel, and to those that might not even be subscribed, but you watch my videos. I'm appreciative of everything that you folks are doing for my channel and for the shop here. As we keep growing, hopefully, we'll just keep getting better and better and spending more time together in the shop, because that's what it's all about. The giveaway starts right now, August the 24th. It'll run till midnight. That's 12 p.m. Central Time on September the 7th. All you have to do is comment on this video. You're entered in. And we will draw sometime that week after the 7th. So again, I can't thank you folks enough for all that you do for me. And it's just exciting. And do me a favor. Tell your mama now I said hi.